Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Etiforex the Major. You're welcome to this channel once again, guys. You remember the last strategy I dropped on this channel was a bomb. Yeah. Till today, people are making good profits with that strategy. Okay, so I'm about to drop another video today, another strategy today that I've been using over time. I've tested it for over 100 times and trust me, it's amazing. It works perfectly, right? So today's strategy will be about scalping, how to scalp the market, boom or crash market with this strategy. I'll go ahead and show you guys exactly what you need to look out for before making any decision before using this strategy. Okay. Now you can see we have markets around this level now. Okay, you can see that perfectly. The red indicator is about to cross the blue indicator, right, to the downside, and this is boom 500. Okay, so once this candlestick closes, I'm opening a position. Okay, that's what we just got now. So I'm opening a position. I'll show you guys why I'm opening this position now. Okay, so guys, I just opened three positions there to two lot size into three places, which is six lot size. Okay, so we are about to scalp. We are scalping P500 now, and you can see this is our entry, right? Sorry, this is the reason we took this trade. You can see we have the red indicator crossing the blue on the main chart, crossing the blue down, crossing the blue down. Okay, on the main chart, just cross the blue indicator down to yeah, to the downside. Then on the indicator window one, this is what we got here. We have indicator here, this black indicator at this zone. We have the black indicator at this zone. Okay, at this zone. Okay, it has touched the 80 level zone. Then here, the red indicator here, it has crossed the 80%, I mean sorry, 80 level and into the 90 level. So it's about to turn, it's about to start going down. The red indicator is about to going down. Then we got the black indicator at this zone, just touched this zone. Okay, so that's why I gave the that's why I opened the positions. Okay, so I'll explain better for you guys to really understand. I'll also show you guys the settings. Okay, then that reminds me, the video I dropped before now, I heard that a lot of people doesn't get the settings, but if you check my playlist, okay, where I have all my strategies, you can go and check the previous video I made for that strategy. That's where I get the settings, right? The settings there, right? But if you want me to make a new video, just leave a comment here. Yeah, drop a comment here on this video, right? For me to know you if you need me to make another video about the previous strategy we dropped. I uploaded on this channel to show you guys the settings, all the settings and all the parameters, everything you need to know about the strategy, right? Just drop a comment. So if you're new on our channel, kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, drop some sweet comments, then don't forget to on your notification bell so that whenever I drop a strategy, you'll be the first to watch and learn and make money, right? Then join, you can join, check the description area to join our Telegram channel, Twitter handle, IG, and all those platforms. Free classes is coming ending of August. Okay, we're having free classes coming ending of August, so make sure that you join so that you'll be able to participate. It's free, completely free classes, so that you guys can equally learn and grow with me, alongside with me. Okay, so we are taking five candlesticks, then we closed out, and that's it. With this strategy, you're taking five candlesticks. I've really tested this strategy for over 100 times. I'm not joking. It's amazing. So that's the thing about me. I don't just come here to drop strategies because I'm looking for subscribers, I'm looking for followers, right? I come here and I give you guys my base because I know you guys have shown me so much love, the support, the good comments, and all. So that's why I always come here to drop my base strategy. right? This is supposed to be my VIP strategies. A lot of people are selling these strategies, but I don't do that. I don't do that. Okay, so make sure you join our free Telegram channel for free signals that will be dropping both on currency and indices, synthetic indices. Then some tips and also the free classes that is coming up soon. And also for those people looking for Profem accounts, currency Profem accounts, we are running giveaway currently, 10K giveaway. Right. So if you want to participate, if you want to trade on a Profem account, $10,000 Profem account, join the free Telegram channel now and click on the link to participate. Right. Yeah. Okay. So we've got it like how many candlesticks? How many ticks? Let's say one, two, three, four. So once that one closes, let's say almost five. It's almost five. This is the fifth one, but we'll just leave the sixth one to close. Then we close out. Right. Yeah. So now, before I show you guys the settings, let me quickly show you guys what you need to look out for. Okay, before taking this signal. Yeah, sorry, before trading with this strategy. Now, you can see on the main chart, we have two indicators. We have two MAs on the main chart. We have the first MA, which is the red indicator here, and we have the second one, which is the blue indicator right here, right? Then what you need to look out for on the main chart, on the main window, is seeing these two indicators crossing, crossing each other. Like you can see, the red just crossed the blue to the downside, right? That's because I'm selling boom. So the strategy is mainly for B1000, B500, crash 1000, crash 500. It's for scalping. You use it to scalp boom and crash, right? Then, yeah, so when scalping boom, you wait for the red indicator to cross to the downside, then you sell at this point. Then at the same time, you need to also take note of your indicator window one. Indicator window one, you should have your red indicator, which is the um, RSI, the black indicator, which is the RSI, to touch the level 80, at least in between level 80 and 90. It should get to level 80 and 90, okay, for it to sell. Then if it doesn't touch this level, then that means it does not constitute overbought level. Then the rate indicator here also should also, you know, touch um the 90 level. It should touch the 90 level, should cross between 80 and 90 level. Okay, so let me quickly close out before we continue. Okay, so just closed out, right? Now, like I said, the red indicator should move in, should go in between the in between 80 and 90 levels. Okay, in between 80 and 90 level, right? That shows that it has gotten to the overbought level. Then, for this black indicator, it should touch, at least touch the level 80, and in between 80 and 90 level. You can see it has touched the line. Then you can see this one didn't touch the line. That's why market decided to go up again, right, to this level before it started dropping. So now let's back test and see what I'm doing on the B500, if um it's accurate. Let's see the accuracy, right? Yeah. So every time, like this one here, we have the RSI at above the level 18, between 80 and 90 level. Then we have the MA, the two MA crossing, the rating MA cross the blue MA to the downside, and we made money. The same thing right here. You can see the touch here. Then cross here, we make money. All the way down, 5 candlesticks, and you're fine. You're good. Make your money, you're closed out. We have the same thing here every time, guys. Every time we make money, every time market touches the overbought level for boom, we sell and we make money. You must wait for it to touch the level 80, between 80 and 90 level. I mean the RSI, the black indicator. And the same thing here, we have the black indicator at above the level 80, then 5 candlesticks, we've made money every time, guys. right? So let's check crash. Let's check crash 1000. Let's check crash 1000. So for crash 1000, you must wait for the RSI to get to level 20, between 20 and 10. Then the MACD, the MACD should be in between level 20 and 10, right? Level 20 and 10 for you to buy. Once you start reversing and you have the MA on the main chart crossing each other to the upside, then you just you open a position there and you take 5 candles and you're good. Okay, every time, guys, you must wait for it to touch RSI, to touch that zone for it to, you know, take that decision, make that decision, right? The same thing here. So every time, guys, trust me, I've tested this strategy over time, back tested and tried on my demo and even on the real account, and I've been using it to make money when I'm, at night when every place is quiet. I use it to make money, right? Yeah. So that's it. So like I said, this strategy is for scalping, just mainly for scalping. I'll also show you guys how to use this, to equally use this strategy to catch spikes, but not in this very video. I'll make another video for that, okay, on how to catch spikes on boom and crash using this strategy. Okay, then you must use 1 minute time frame. Stay on the 1 minute time frame to know how to, to scale with this strategy. And the zoom level for this strategy is the third zoom level. This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. So you'll be able to see everything, right? You'll be able to see everything perfectly, right? Okay, so like this here, for example, like this here, you see the RSI, the black indicator on the indicator window one, it hasn't touched the 20 level. Even here it didn't touch the 20 level, so at this point we cannot buy. We cannot buy. Even if the MA crosses to the upside, we cannot buy because it has not gotten to the oversold level yet. So you might buy here and it starts spiking. Even if it doesn't spike, that's not the strategy. That's not what we're looking at. So we must wait for it to touch this level for us to make that decision. So let me show you guys the settings. Right, subscribe, guys. Let me show you guys the settings for this strategy. We got like we have 4 indicators. The first one is MA, period is 10, shift is 0, method is linear weighted, applied to weighted closed. Levels, there are no levels, so you can choose any color of your choice and you click on done. You can screenshot, guys. Click on done, then you go back again. You add the second MA, period is 10, shift is 0, method linear weighted, applied to weighted close. Okay, screenshot, guys. You click on done, then you go back again to add the RSI. That's the first thing you need to add to this, to start the indicator window one. RSI, we have the period day 10 applied to low. Levels, we have the 90. Then screenshot, we have the 90 level, we have 10, we have 80, and we have 20. Okay, click on done and choose any color at all. Click on done. Then you go back again to add your MACD. You add your MACD. Fast EMA is 20. Slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA is 90. Apply to close. You choose any color at all. That's it. You can choose any color you want, guys. That's it. Right. So that's the settings for the video. And remember what I said. Whenever market gets to you see on the indicator window one, whenever the indicators gets to, the two indicator must touch the level 20 and 80 for crash. Then the under indicator, the main chart, there should be, you should see the MA crossing this other one. The black MA should cross, sorry, the red MA should cross the blue and MA to the upside for you to buy, right? Then boom for boom, you must wait for the two indicators to get to this point, right? When it gets to this point, then you sell after the MA, the red MA crossing the blue to the downside. So that's how you catch, sorry, that's how you scalp with this strategy. So like I said earlier, I'll show you guys how to use this same strategy to catch spikes, long spikes, only long spikes. So if you want to watch the video, you want to know how to make use of this same strategy to catch spikes. If you love catching spikes on boom and crash, just smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, drop some sweet comments, and don't forget to join our free Telegram channel. Guys, join the free Telegram channel for tips, for some announcements, free signals on boom, crash, synthetic indices, currency, and all. Then I'll advise you guys. A lot of people are saying they get scammed, they buy indicators, they do this and that. I'll advise you guys to learn price action. The mistake I made was when I started trading, I didn't have anybody to educate me, to tell me what to do. So I made a lot of mistakes. I invested blindly when I didn't even know how the market works, and I was just losing money every day. I was blowing accounts every day until I started learning. So you need to learn. Trading is just like every other business. Before you go into any business, you need to undergo some research survey to know how it works, right? So you cannot just jump in and invest money and hope to you hope to make making so much money. You need to learn um how to trade, to analyze the financial markets the right way. So you must not learn from me. You can meet any other person you're sure is not a scammer, it's not going to scam you, or it's going to give you the value you deserve. You work with the person, learn from the person, and know the person's strategy, his trading system. From there, you apply and start making money. That's how to be successful here. So if you're a new person here, we can mentor you. We manage accounts. Um, you manage accounts for you. We do accounts management. We pass pro firm accounts. We have robots. We're selling robots where that helps you for those that are maybe working. You don't have enough time to analyze the market or sit on your charts to catch spikes. The robots will be doing that for you. All you need to do is just click play and it will start making money for you guys. It's amazing. It has over 95% win rate accuracy. So yeah, join our mentorship program, guys. I'll be off for now. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.